Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is Mobile. I hope that you all are doing good and enjoying your good health. If you're not, then may God bless you with good health. So on today's topic of the video is that how to create a Spotify account. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to just unlock your phone, and then I'll show you that I don't have Spotify now. So obviously I have to download it from the App Store or from the Play Store. So as I'm using Android here, so obviously I'll download it from the Play Store. So for downloading it from the Play Store, you have to search Spotify. Here you'll find the Spotify. So you have to just tap on install. So now let it install. And meanwhile, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then you can go and do subscribe to my channel and share this video for with the friends also who need help in creating account on Spotify. Now this is installed and now we will open. Now if you have already created account, then you can continue with Google, and if you don't have account, so you have to sign up for free. Then you have to write email address here, and then you have to create any password. So I'm just randomly creating a password. Now here you have to just choose your date of birth. So you have to choose that, and then you have to continue. Then you have to choose your gender, and then you have to just agree with their terms and conditions. So guys, I'll just suggest you to read the terms and condition and privacy policy before just agreeing on this. So you have to create account. Then you have to turn on notification. It's your choice if you want to turn on or not. So if you want to turn on, then you have to allow permission. So you can choose any of the three artists for whom you want to turn on the notification. So I'm not interested in this right now, so I'll just skip it. Then after this, you have to activate one-step login if you want to, but for now I'm just dismissing it. Then there's a quick question: are you currently enrolled in a higher education institute or university? So I'll just dismiss it. And now your Spotify account is created, and now you can just search music also. You can search for live events also, and after you'll just use this app, then made for you will also be shown. Like you'll get some of the music according to your music taste, and you can choose India also, Punjabi also if you like that. If you like rock, then you can go into that. If you like K-pop, then you can go into that. So it will depend on your mood also. So there are some hits that you'll get on your suggestion page, and here you can like listen any of them, and like these are the songs that are trending now. So after you will use this app, your according to your choice, your suggestion page will change. Like if you like K-pop more and you are listening K-pop more interestingly, so your K-pop suggestion page will also be created. So now if you want to add any other account, you can add it from here. So this is how you can just create a Spotify account simply. So I hope that you like this video. If you like it, then give it a huge thumbs up and share it with your friends also. Thank you so much for watching.